Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Irene Amo and I come from the northeast part of India, from Shillong, Meghalaya. And it's very interesting that though we are in the 21st century and though we are in the year 2016, people still don't know the northeast part of India, and it's quite interesting because I think one of the reasons why I've always wanted to video blog is so that, not for me to get famous or not to be one of those YouTube video stars or whatever, but so that people will actually know about the northeast part of India where I hail from. And recently, I traveled to Amsterdam and to Singapore and Malaysia, and I was with my team, and everyone was from India. Obviously, I didn't look like the rest of Indian or whatever notion that people have of India or in terms of the features and all that. So there were people from Europe, and there were Americans as well. And even when I was in Singapore and Malaysia, every time I had to go through immigration, I always had a problem because they would look at my passport and they would be like, okay, you look different, you have an Indian passport, are you mixed? And I was like, no, I'm not mixed, I'm pure Indian, and both my mom and my dad, they both are from India. And they'll be like, so do you have your origin from China or something? They would still not believe that I'm actually a pure Indian or whatever. And I would always get stuck, but then that gave me a good opportunity to educate all the immigration officers of the northeast part of India. And I would always tell them, oh, I come from the northeast part of India, and over there everyone have very oriental features like me, and everyone look like me. And they would just laugh and be very interested to know more about it. And there were people, especially this one American that I met, and when I told him, about my culture and my tradition and how I look so different from the rest of India, is because I hail from like the northeast part, and which is very interesting because out there we all look like this, we all have very oriental features. And he was shocked that that part of India exists because he never knew about it. And I encountered many people like him, so that's the reason I wanted to start blogging, is because so that people will come to know more about the northeast part of India, who we are, and our existence. I think that's the main thing, because many people do not know that we exist. And the thing is that, so when we talk about the northeast, we consist of, earlier we were the 7 sister states, which was consisted of Arunachal Pradesh, it was Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, then Nagaland, Mizoram, and I think I'm missing. I forgot. The northeast part of India consists of 7 sisters, which is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, and Tripura. And recently, we have another brother joining us, which is Sikkim. So now we call ourselves the 7 sister states with a brother. And so if you look at the map, we are very close to Bhutan, Tibet, and Bangladesh. And also we believe that our ancestors were originally from China. But since independence and since years and years, we've always been in that part of, the northeast part of India. And many people do not know us is because we are not very broadcasted in the media, and we are not there in the mainline parts of India. Like many people will know Mumbai, many people know Delhi, Bangalore, and Chennai, and every foreigners love Goa. And everyone there, of course, they have a distinct feature when it comes to being Indian. But when it comes to the northeast part of India, we look very different from the rest of India, and that's because we are from the Chinese ancestral. That's what according to the studies, that's what they have found out actually. And yes, we look very different. And in terms of traditions, in terms of religion, in terms of clothing and food and culture, we are very, very different. It's like how people from South India are different from North India, in the same way people from Northeast India. Within the 8 states itself, we have very, very different culture. It might be a little bit similar in terms of the dance, the tradition, but in terms of the language, there are maybe more than 1,000 languages that the Seven Sisters speak. And even in terms of food, like the rest of India, it's like they like very oily food with a lot of masala and all the spices. But we in the Northeast state, we prefer steamed rice, we prefer steamed vegetables, and we have fermented fishes, fermented pork, or we have fermented soya bean, which is again very distinct and it's very different. And sometimes it's more similar. Very similar to the Vietnamese food, and even some to even the Chinese food. You can say it's a little bit similar, but not very similar. But yes, very distinct, and we eat a lot of bamboo shoot, and we have our own, vegetables which we do not find in the rest of India, which is found only in the parts of like Northeast region. So if you look at everything, which I think I would like to introduce one by one in terms of the culture, in terms of the food, in terms of the tradition. I think I will be blogging more about that. But this is just an introduction video to say that I am Irene Amo, and I'm from the northeast part of India, from Shillong, Meghalaya, and I'm very much Indian. And if you ever come to that part of India, you'll see that everyone looks like me, and we have very, very oriental features, and we are very much Indian. So I think I like to end my blog